What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random and welcome back to another another Crown Victoria modification video, guys. Now this one is quite simple, but as you guys will see when the video's over, it makes all the difference. I am talking about a full-blown LED conversion for your map light slash door lights slash kind of dome lights. I'm going to show you guys how you can go from the regular plain boring 1930 style yellow little light bulbs to bam, bam, and bam. LEDs, baby. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at nighttime too. But believe me, once you go LED, you never go back yellowly. Anyways, let me show you guys how to do this. Here we go. All you're going to need is a regular Phillips head screwdriver. I'm using a little pick like this. You're going to need something with a small point at the end. And you're going to need 3 of these 194 LED light bulbs. I got these from AutoZone. I think they're $16 for a pack of 2. Unfortunately, you're gonna need 3, so you might need to shell out another like 30 bucks. Yeah, this is kind of expensive, but it looks freaking amazing, guys. To remove this whole entire compartment here, we're gonna grab a little pick tool, and you're gonna come right here, and you're gonna pull slightly. There we go. It's going to be hanging like that, and then what you do is you pull like at an angle, at a 45-degree angle back. There you go. You see it has these little tabs that they connect in like that. Once we remove this lens cover here for our dome light, I'm going to call it a dome light. This is a dome light. We'll call this a dome light too. Next up is we actually have to remove this entire cover right here, guys. Yes, it's a map light. I know. There's going to be 3. 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws. You're going to remove those. Once you removed your 3 Phillips head screws, the entire map light holder is going to be hanging down like this. Is actually connected by one connector right there. Yo, isn't this a damn good hiding spot? Like, you can stash a little bit of cash, or I don't know, a little baggie of something in there, man. It's a good place to check if you ever buy one of these too. I'm going to grab the hook, and then I'm just going to push the pin. There we go. Now, in order to remove the actual bulbs, the center one is quite easy. All you got to do is grab it. You pull it out. Now, these, unless you have little tiny baby hands, these on each side are a little bit harder, but I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to take them out. What we'll do is we'll flip the holder like this, and you'll notice there's a little access port where you can take a pick or maybe a really small screwdriver and you insert it through the hole. Now, with your map light holder facing this exact way, with the 2 Phillips head screws facing towards the bottom, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your LED, and they have tiny little red dots on one side only. The one with the dot on the left side goes on your left side of your map light, and the one with the dot on the right side goes on your right side. The center one also needs to be pointing towards the left. And once you've installed your new LED mini bulbs, the last thing to do is pretty much put everything back the way it came in. Clip the connector back in, and this part, literally, there's no getting it wrong. It fits right into the perfect groove. Screw in your screws, and then we'll test out our new LED light. You guys hear that? Oh my god, those are coyotes, dude. Dude, they're like... Holy crap. Alright, let me get this out of the way before I get eaten alive. Anyways, I was waiting for it to turn nighttime so I can show you guys what the LEDs look like, and I'm hearing howling and crap. Let me get in this car before I get eaten. Alright guys, it is now pitch black in the Crown Vic. I'm going to show you guys though just how bright, bam, this is one LED. Holy crap, one LED, guys. Let's do another one. Bam, second LED. This GoPro does not do it justice, but we'll go ahead and turn on the third one and let there be light. Boof! My goodness, this entire car is illuminated, guys. Like I said, the GoPro does not do it justice, but if you do this modification for yourself, you will clearly see the results, I guess pun intended. Either way, it's your boy, Mr. Random, and I'll catch you guys on the next Crown Victoria modification video. I'm telling you guys, nobody's going to see this next mod coming, but a lot of you guys are going to be happy that I'm doing it. Either way, I'll catch you guys on the next one.